I'm so glad I got home before this started, though.
No kidding. I mean, if this could happen every day for like an hour, I'd be